Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
Have Petra Court. A good apartment indeed. This is a steep hill. So maybe let us use this side. There is no clear pedestrian walkway. I think this is the side where So welcome to our today's coverage, good people. I want to greet you good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. And welcome to this coverage today. I appreciate you. This is Anglican Diocese of Kenya, St. Mary's Parish, Kabete. We are in Upper Kabete, and right now we are within these Ndumbuini shops. If you look on the map, you'll note that this is Ndumbuini shops. And Ndumbuini is a place within the Kiambu County area. Though most of the residents who stay here, you'll find them saying that they are in Nairobi. And I guess most of the voters, or most of the people here who are voters, they register in Westlands constituency. And generally they go to vote within the Westlands region. So if you are visiting us for the first time, join this wonderful family. We are within Uthiru area, Uthiru, Ndumbuini. So Uthiru, there are sections of Uthiru which are on the side of Nairobi County, and also others like this side is in Kiambu County. So we have different connection points or different connecting roads that will take you to the different areas. Like if you want to join the Nairobi Western Bypass, if you go straight with this road that we are walking along, then you will be able to get to that Nairobi Western Bypass. So a general view about Ndumbuini, you can see have New Vision Center, Uthiru, Ndumbuini. Have different shops. I think you have seen churches, there are schools. You know, when one is trying to locate where to stay, they try to make sure that the accessibility of the area is more profound in terms of market, the social amenities, schools, hospitals. Accessibility, you can see we have different markets. Here we have different sehemu ya vinywaji, tunasema vinywaji ama vileo, a place where you can enjoy. Then we have Zakil Medical Center, which is on the right, on the other side. So you can see we have a good road here, good road network, and we have shops. By this side you can get different places to rent, and you can get from single rooms, the makeshift mabatis, and we have the permanent ones. Then we have bed sitters, we have 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and even 3 bedrooms. If you are in search of a house or a place to rent, you can come this side. And remember, if you want to access Nairobi, it is very easy. I hope you watched our video as we were connecting from Nairobi city while using Waiyaki Way. So if you need to access this area from Nairobi city, you go at Lagos Road. That is just off Latema Road, somewhere opposite Maximum Miracle Center building, or the opposite the Latema Plaza. Then you board there is Tabas, and also recently I think they introduced Latema Sacco. They are operating this route. So at that point you will get vehicles coming all the way to Ndumbuini. So you will alight at that region where we started the video. Then if you are leaving this side, you will have to connect either on motorbike or while walking. Now you can see here we have stores and different businesses. Can go for camp. Then we have Acacia Green Academy over here. That's a school. And you can see how the roads are within this region. So if you continue straight, you'll be heading to some other areas and also green. And then you'll connect to Nairobi Western Bypass using that road. But we'll go to this side. They call it Gishagi Road. And you can see it is fiber ready Safaricom. So means in terms of network, you are sorted if you want internet subscription, because you pay on a monthly basis. You are sorted. And you can see the road network on this side. So I hope most of you can just come this side to have a good stay, because these sides you get fresh produce from the farm, be it vegetables, milk. There are people around this area, they do farming. They have livestock farming where they produce milk, and you also get fresh vegetables from the farm. So you can see this is the Acacia Green Academy. So welcome to Ndumbuini Gishagi Road, and we say thank you for all our returning supporters. We will make sure we explore different areas in terms of accessibility, in terms of name them all, in terms of where to stay, and if possible, when we get people to talk to, we will always tell you maybe in terms of categories. Like for example, if you want a makeshift house this side, especially the single rooms for the mabati, this side it's a bit I don't know if I can say expensive, but it goes around 3,500, a good one. So you'll find that for that one, the washroom or the toilet is outside, and you can see people living this side. Now person just joining or going home. You can see we have gated places here. Also gated, have Petra Court. A good apartment indeed. This is a steep hill. maybe let us use this side. There is no clear pedestrian walkway. I think this is the side where you can comfortably walk. You can see we have a farm on the other side. Namizabib. Have avocado on the other side. Just see, this is the petrol port. See this road. What do you say about this area? Can you decide to come stay on this side? I hope if you come, you will like this area because it's part of the serene areas of Nairobi, where you enjoy good ambience, fresh air. If there is noise, the noise is not that much. We have less congestion, and just getting to Nairobi, especially on a weekend, it is just 50 Kenyan shillings. And if you're coming from Nakuru, Maimahiu, using the James Gishuru Road, you will alight at the main Uthiru stage as you come to this side. You can see shops, plants, and also water supply is I see this one is gated. Businesses. You can see we have another upcoming building over there. Seems, and people will be living there. Maybe could be bed sitters, or one bedroom, or even two bedrooms. You can see here you have Church of Kenya Ndumbuini Sanctuary, Worldwide Gospel. And as we said, an area grows due to the availability of social amenities, which includes schools, churches, markets or shops, administration offices, schools, and all others. And our fans from this area, you can tell us how you enjoy living in these areas. Like you see, that is a garden with the bananas and also maize and some vegetables.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
So we are having a tour within this Ndumbuini area, and I don't know, you know, sometimes when you go within, we have different names for different places. So I don't know if there is a different name for this different zone, but I believe we are on Gishagi Road. Just see, wow, see those amazing views over there. So Nairobi Western Bypass, you cannot see it, but it is on the other side. You can see we have rentals, we have farms, and different setup. Watu wa huku wanaenjoy sana. I think I should relocate to this side when time comes, but huku ni kwa kama unaishi kwako. Like this one is Thomas Heights. You can see how the gate is good. have here County Government of Kiambu, member of County Assembly of Kiambu, Uthiru Ward. That is their office. Different houses, apartments, and I believe you can get a house depending on your budget. If you need a 1-bedroom, if you need a bed sitter, and accessibility is guaranteed. Like this road we are walking on, you see, it is just tarmac, good tarmac. And you can see that is another road connecting. Yes, it is a feeder road, but I think when it rains, you won't face a lot of mud. So let me know the area you stay, how it is. Can you compare it to this area? And if you're abroad, can you invest in this area? In terms of business, in terms of real estate, you know, real estate is now a booming business nearly everywhere. So you can decide to invest in this area, or you can decide to come stay, because now in terms of accessibility, you can see this area is well connected, good connectivity, and everything. We have shops, we have hospitals, we have schools, and different amenities that you may wish to. And it's just near the highway, just a few minutes walk to the major highway, that is A104. And these places, as I said, you can get fresh produce, fresh vegetables from the farm that will be sold. So you are guaranteed, even when you want milk, it's very easy to find fresh milk, fresh from the farm. So I believe you have enjoyed this tour, short tour within the Ndumbuini Uthiru area. Make sure you like this video, comment, share it out, like it, and let's meet in our next video. Thank you and see you.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.